This video I'm going to tell you how you can render a template in Django. To render a template in Django, first create your project. I have already created my project with the name of Django practice. Let me open Django practice. I'm going to open Django practice folder. After opening the Django practice folder, right click on empty space and select the option open with code. Um, the code has been opened. You have created your project. I have also created my project. After opening this project, you have to render a template. Click on the project folder and you have to create a directory in the project folder. To create a directory in the project folder, select the icon, new folder. Sorry, first click on the project and select the icon, new folder, and name the templates. Name it templates and name it templates. Now you have to place a file in templates folder. To place a file in templates folder, click on the templates folder and click on the new file and then name your HTML file. I'm going to name it index.html, index.html, and our file has been created. Our HTML file has been created. I'm going to close this file. Now you have to open the setting.py. Open the setting.py. You see this interface. Search for templates and search for dirs, and in dirs there are two brackets. Enter the name of your directory. I'm going to name my directory here templates. Because my directory name is templates, I'm going to place the folder name here. Make sure you have to write in quotes. After this, save this by using Control plus S button. Now move toward the views.py. To run the to render the HTML template, you have to give a module and function. First of all, you have to import the module that is known as from django dot shortcuts and then import render. After this, you have to create a new function. I'm going to create a new function with the name of index. It should be have at least one parameter to render to get it rendered. I'm going to give it parameter request. Now it should be have a return type. I'm going to return a template, so I'm going to type here return render, and the render should be have two parameter. One parameter should be request and the other should be the file name that should be displayed. I have indexed in index.html. I'm going to display it. After this, save it by using Control plus S button. Now move toward the urls.py file. Now you have to give the path to urls.py file. I'm going to give the path to urls.py file. Now first thing is to use the keyword that is going to use the word that should use to move to this page. I'm going to use index dot. Whenever the user type this command, it move toward the index dot indexed HTML. So now place comma here, and now we have to call views.py file. So to call views.py file, I'm going to write his name, write the views.py file here, views.py file. After this, we have to call views.py file, and in views.py file we have to call index function. To call the index function, we have to use comma and write the index to call the index function. Can call this index function from views.py file, we have to write the comma, and after comma we have to type the name of function that is indexed. index. Now place comma here. Now we have to give the name to our path. I'm going to give it name as index. Now now save it by using Control plus S button. Now I'm going to clear the terminal. After clearing the terminal using PowerShell, this is terminal. Now we have to run the manage.py file. To run the manage.py file, uh, we need to move to the project folder to run the manage.py file. So for this, I'm going to use a cd command to move to the project folder to change the directory. Cd project. After this, press enter. It means we are in the Django practice project, and from Django practice project we move to the project folder. After this, we have to move to the manage.py file. To move to the manage.py file and run it, we have to run this server. We have to type a command that is known as python manage.py run server. After this, press enter. After the URL should be pop up. Now click on URL by adding a control button. This is the main page of our site. We have to move toward the index page. So I'm going to type there index to check whether our template is rendered or not. I'm going to type there index. Oh, sorry, we didn't our template is running, but we didn't provide a HTML source. I'm going to provide HTML source that I for my website. I'm going to place here. This is my HTML code that I'm going to type here. I'm going to save it by using a Control plus S button. Now I'm again running this server by using Control button. Now I'm again moving to the index. So I'm going to type index here and press enter. Our template has run successfully. It means it is running. If you like my video, please subscribe and like and share.